So this question is just looking for a straightforward analysis. What's the correct statement of Newton's second law? Is a correct statement of Newton's second law. Well, Newton's second law is F equals ma. And what that says is that the force is proportional to the acceleration. So that's like the definition of Newton's second law. So when it comes to these wordy choices, we want to first use the filter of, is the statement itself true or false? And then we'll determine whether or not it's a good answer for the question. But is the statement just simply true? Is what it says true? The change in momentum of a body, delta P, is proportional to the external force. Delta P is proportional to the force. Well, this is where I want to go to my formula sheet, which I've included down here, and that gets us this. Is the change in momentum proportional to the force? And the answer is yes, mathematically it's proportional to the force. So this is a true statement mathematically. It may not be quite true physics in terms of physics, but we're just determining whether we can just eliminate it just because it's just patently false. The force on the body is equal to the acceleration. F equals A. Newtons equals meters per second squared? No, false. So this one's out. That's just a false statement. That's not true. The rate of change of momentum, delta P over delta T, is equal to the net force on the object. Well, if we look at our equation again, if we divide both sides by delta T, F equals delta P over delta T. And in fact, this is the definition of force. The rate of change in momentum is the force. So this is also true. The force acting on a body is proportional to the mass on the body. So the force acting on the body is proportional to the mass. Okay, now Newton's second law, the equation is F equals ma. Well, the force is actually proportional to the acceleration, but mathematically, I suppose you could say it's proportional. It's true. So if we look at this first one, what makes A or D different from each other? They're mathematically true, but that's not how it's defined. Newton's second law is about the rate of change in momentum being equal to the external force. And delta P over delta T equals F net. Well, delta P is m delta V. All that divided by T is delta V over delta T is acceleration. So that is why choice C is the best answer.